Kunja Vihari Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Girivaradari Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Girivaradari Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Yashodanandana Brajajanarandana Yashodanandana Brajajanarandana Yamuna Tira Manachari Yamuna Tira Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Vihari 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 Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaura Bhaktavrinda Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shiva Shadi Gaura Bhaktavrinda Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaura Bhaktavrinda Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shiva Shadi Gaura Bhaktavrinda Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaura Bhaktavrinda Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Jaya Prabhupada, 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 Jaya Prabhupada. Jai Om Vishnupada Paramahamsa Parivrajacharya Sutta Shishya His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada Ki Grantara Srimad Bhagavatam Ki Vidai Gaura Premanandi. All glories to the Sarvabhauma Devotees, Hare Krishna. All glories to the Sarvabhauma Devotees, Hare Krishna. All glories to the Sarvabhauma Hare Krishna. All glories to Shri Shri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasad Vishnu Kumar Krishna Vaswami Tinami. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasad Vishnu Bhakti Vedanta Swami Tinami. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisesha Shunyavadi Pashyakara Desatarine. Jai Shri Prabhupada Ki Jai. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
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 Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam
Naram Chaiva Narottamam
Devim Saraswatim Vyasam
Devim Saraswatim Vyasam
Tato Jayamudiraye
Tato Jayamudiraye
Nastapraishu Avatreshu
Naslaishu Abadreshu
Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya
Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya
Bhagavate Uttama Shloke
Bhagavati Pumasloke
Bhaktir Bhavati Naistiki.
Bhakti Parvati Naistaki.
So we're reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Creation, Chapter 15. The Pandavas retire timely. We're doing text 39.
閱讀聖典博加亞塔，第一篇係創造，第15章歡樂嘅兄弟及時引退，第39個詩節。
So we chant first and then we can do the rest. Mathurayam tata vajram
Mathurayam tata rajam
Mathurayam tata vajram
Mathurayam tata rajam
Shurasena patim tataha
Shurasena patim tataha
Surasena patim tataha
Shurasena patim tataha
Rajapatyam nirupyastin
Rajapatyam niruprestin
Rajapatyam nirupyastin
Rajapatyam niruprestin
Agnin apibadishvaraha
Agnin apibadishvaraha
Agnin apibadishvaraha
Agnim napidadishvaraha
Mathurayam tata vajram
Madhurayam tata rajram
Shurasena patim tata
Shurasena patim tata
Rajapatyam nirupyastin
Rajapatyam niruprestin
Agnin apibadishvara.
Agnim napidadishvaraha
Mathurayam tata vajram
Madhurayam tata vajram
Surasena patim tata
Surasena patim tata
Rajapatyam nirupyastin
Rajapatyam niruprestin
Agnin apibadishvara
Agnin apibadishvara.
Mathurayam tata vajram
Mathurayam tata vajram
Shurasena patim tata
Surasena patim tata
Rajapatyam niruprestin
Prajapatyam nirupyastin
Agnim napidadishvaraha
Agnin apibadishvara. Mathurayam
Mathurayam
at Mathura
Mathura
再碼頭啦，
tata also
入
Vajram
Rajam
Vajra
Vajra
阿之如啊，
Shurasena patim
Shurasena patim
King of the Shurasenas.
King of the Surasena
須臾阿心立族的王個國王
Tataha
Tataha
thereafter
Thereafter
其後
Prajapatyam
Rajapatyam
Prajapatya sacrifice
Prajapatya sacrifice
帕吉帕提亞祭祀
Nirupya
念玉一
having performed
having performed
執行了
Istim gold
目標
Agnin
阿添
fire
火
Apibat
阿比巴
placed in himself
placed in himself
放在他自己中
Ishvaraha
Ishvara
capable.
capable
有能力的
Translation purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada.
Yeah.
Ki Jai. Translation. Then he posted Vajra, the son of Aniruddha, grandson of Lord Krishna, at Mathura as the king of Shurasena. Afterwards, Maharaj Yudhishthira performed a Prajapatya sacrifice and placed in himself the fire for quitting household life.
譯文要旨由世尊 A.C. 巴蒂維丹達小華聖巴巴提供。譯文接着，他讓阿利如達主 Krishna 嘅孫子的兒子雅之如勒，在馬杜拉也接着舒如阿森納木嘅王位。做完這一切，猶達舒提王舉行了帕濟帕亞祭祀，為退出家庭生活而把這祭祀之火置於自己心中。
Purport. Maharaj Yudhishthira, after placing Maharaj Parikshit on the imperial throne of Hastinapura and after posting Vajra, the great-grandson of Lord Krishna, as the king of Mathura, accepted the renounced order of life, a system of 4 orders of life and 4 castes in terms of quality and work, known as Varnashram Dharma, is the beginning of real human life. And Maharaj Yudhishthira, as the protector of this system of human activities, timely retired from active life as a sannyasi, handing over the charge of the administration to a trained prince, Maharaj Parikshit. The scientific system of Varnashram Dharma divides the human life into 4 divisions of occupation and 4 orders of life. The 4 orders of life, as Brahmachari, Grihastha, Vanaprastha and Sannyasi, are to be followed by all, irrespective of the occupational division. Modern politicians do not wish to retire from active life even if they are old enough. But Yudhishthira Maharaj, as an ideal king, voluntarily retired from active administrative life to prepare himself for the next life. Everyone's life must be so arranged that the last stage of life, say at least the last 15 to 20 years prior to death, can be absolutely devoted to the devotional service of the Lord to attain the highest perfection of life. It is really foolishness to engage oneself all the days of one's life in material enjoyment and fruitive activities, because as long as the mind remains absorbed in fruitive work for material enjoyment, there is no chance of getting out from conditioned life or material bondage. No one should follow the suicidal policy of neglecting one's supreme task of attaining the highest perfection of life, namely going back home, back to Godhead.
要旨在讓帕雷斯亞克實王登上夏斯汀納博爾國王位，並讓為主 Krishna 嘅重孫子亞朱如亞負責統治馬杜拉亞後，猶大斯特王進入了人生嘅氣絕階段。按照人嘅品質和工作劃分嘅社會4格階層和靈性4進階制度，是人類生活嘅真正開始。猶大斯特納王作為一個人類社會制度嘅維護者，把統治權交給了受過訓練嘅巴列傑王德後，適時地退出居士生活，當了一名托缽僧。梵文稱為Varnashram Dharma 嘅科學制度，把人類社會和生活分為4種職業範疇嘅4個生活階段。其中4個生活階段分別是獨身禁欲嘅學生生活階段、居士階段、退出家庭生活階段和出家當托缽僧階段。世上所有的人，無論是其職業是什麼，都應該遵從這4個生活階段。現代政治家們哪怕再老，也不願意退出政治舞台。但猶大斯特王作為理想嘅君王，佢自願退出執政生涯，為自己嘅來生做準備。每一個人都必須這樣安排自己嘅生活，即在人生嘅最後階段，至少在死亡前15至20年開始，要能夠做到全心全意地為至尊主做奉愛服務，以期達到生命嘅最高完美境界。把一生嘅全部時間都花在物質享樂和功利性活動方面，實在是十分愚蠢的。因為把心思專注在為物質享樂而從事嘅功利性活動上，使人沒有機會擺脫物質束縛中受制約嘅生活。人生最高嘅任務是爭取達到生命嘅最高完美境界，回歸家園，回歸到神手身邊。 忽視這一點嘅人，無於在自己毀滅自己。沒有人應該過這種自我毀滅嘅生活。
Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jananjanashalakaya Chakshushamritamena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah Udam Garati Vachanam Pangam Langyete Giham Yakripatamam Madhu Shri Gurum Dinataranam Paramananda Madham Shri Chaitanya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Nityananda Sarvabhato Vadodaya Pushpanti Chittam Sandhantam Amrita. Okay, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you for coming to this morning's class.
多謝各位嚟參加今天嘅早課。
So I'll read the translation again. Then he posted Vajra, the son of Aniruddha, grandson of Lord Krishna, at Mathura as the king of Shurasena. Afterwards, Maharaj Yudhishthira performed a Prajapatya sacrifice and placed in himself the fire for quitting household life. So this is the ideal retirement.
再讀一次個譯文，接着那讓阿尼如那主 Krishna 嘅孫子嘅兒子阿支如那，在馬杜拉接就舒阿森納王嘅皇位。做完這一切，由達舒納王舉行了在帕提亞祭祀，為退出家庭生活而把這祭祀之火置於自己嘅心中。
So from the Prabhupada also we can see Prabhupada is telling us how one should prepare for life's final goal.
咁喺要事咧，啪講俾我哋知嚟講，一個人應該點樣準備向自己生命嘅最終目標嗰時嚟講做準備。
This verse and a few more verses, we see how Yudhishthira Maharaj is completely renouncing all that was kingly, and he goes out of the kingdom.
咁喺呢個詩詞同埋仲有幾個詩詞嚟就講到，由律師王點樣嚟講係將佢嘅執政生涯嚟講係退出佢職業生涯嘅咧，最後嚟講係離開佢嘅國土。
So we can also see from the previous verses also how that he selected someone who's qualified, not just because he is his grandson.
咁你喺前嘅詩節呢度提到嚟講咧，咁係點樣係為自己個接班人嚟講係揀選嘅接班人嚟講啦？咁唔係話呢個接班人嚟講，由於係佢個從孫嚟講去揀選，而係佢係有具備呢方面嘅資格嘅。
So after establishing Parikshit Maharaj as the emperor, he establishes Vajranabha is the son or grandson of Lord Krishna as the king of Mathura.
咁佢揀選咗巴結或接位佢個呢個國王位之後嚟講，亦都係選咗 Krishna 嘅長孫巴之後嚟講咧，接到馬杜拉嗰度成為個國王嘅。
So King Vajranabha, he established many, they say like 100 temples.
佢哋有據說嚟講，佢係喺麥多嗰度起咗建立咗成個超過100間廟嘅。
In the district of Mathura, mostly in Vrindavan.
咁大多數嚟講喺Vrindavan咧，咁但係喺馬杜拉好多地方嚟講都有建立廟。
But more than that, I'm not familiar with his what he did.
除咗呢啲之外嚟講，我對佢嘅其他嘅事蹟嚟講都唔係咁熟悉。
So, a reflection point for us is as we also get old, as I mentioned yesterday, what is the succession plan? And so here we can see how Maharaj is very confidently hands over. He's not worried about the kingdom, and he knows it's in good hands.
咁我哋其實咧，咁好似譬如我講到嚟講，我哋依家到咁嘅100年紀嚟講啦，咁其實我哋應該作一個咁嘅反省喺度。譬如我哋將來準備要係點樣做喺度，咁我哋睇到有啲真係王嚟講係好有信心嚟講啊，點樣係將自己嘅嘢係將嘅準備得好妥當喺度。
Leadership means not only knowing how to govern or rule the place, but also when to step aside and let the new generation take it.
咁講到譬如佢點樣係揀選去接班人嚟講，所謂嘅管理嚟講咧，係唔單止安排一切妥當嚟講，亦都係要將個權力係放低落嚟俾人哋，俾個接班人喺度，自己係企埋一邊喺度。
So, how are we going to hand over our responsibilities to the next generation?
咁對我哋嚟講咧，我哋點樣將我哋責任嚟講係委託俾我哋嘅接班人喺度，
Or are we just going to live for the present only?
或者我哋淨係嚟講係活着當下，而家我哋淨係理我哋自己咁樣做就算。
So the question is, are we planning to leave or are we planning to live some more?
咁或者我哋而家係準備嚟講係準備要離開喺度，或者我哋仲要再喺度繼續嚟再住一段，再繼續咁住落去咧。
So these are some of the points that seem very relevant, which Srila Prabhupada is highlighting within his purport.
咁喺要旨嗰度啪嚟講咧，係強調咗一啲好重要嘅要點俾我哋知道。
He also highlights that the Varnashram system helps in terms of how one can come to this ability to retire from one's duties and so on.
咁佢亦都係提到呢個四社會四靈進階呢個咁嘅制度嚟講係點樣去幫我哋嚟講做安排我哋有咁嘅能力嚟講咧，係做到我哋安排準備我哋嘅生活嘅。
The Varnashram system is scientific and it's established by Krishna himself.
咁呢個四社會四靈進階制度嚟講咧，係由 Krishna 嚟講係創立喺度咧，亦都係好魔化。
Chaturvarnyam maya srishtam guna karma vibhagasaha tasya kartaram api mam vidya kartaram avyayam. That according to the three modes, Shri Krishna establishes the work for the four divisions of the human society.
咁由於呢個物質自然三種屬性影響底下嚟講咧，咁 Krishna 按咗三屬性地人嘅處於唔同屬性之下嚟講，就創立咗呢四個唔同嘅一個社會階層嘅制度。
So he also says, I am the creator of this system, but I'm not involved with it.
Krishna 都提到嚟講咧，呢個制度嚟講係我創造出嚟，但我唔會係牽涉當中。
So the Prabhupada also mentions many times in different places that human life means following regulated principle.
咁聖保羅亦都好多處或者好多地方嚟講多次咁提及到咧，人類生活嚟講就應該係跟隨規範守則。
This Varnashram system helps us to follow those regulated principles nicely.
而呢個四社會制度四靈性進階嚟講，就係恰幫我哋點樣係好咁跟隨呢啲咁嘅規範守則。
And if we don't follow those principles, then we are no different than animals.
如果我哋唔跟隨呢咁嘅守則嚟講咧，咁我哋係同動物嚟講係無異。
And this Varnashram system is not just only for Indians or Vedic times. It's universal. Anywhere you see these four systems there.
咁呢個四社會階層四靈性進階嚟講嘅制度嚟講，唔係話淨係偉大年代或者係淨係俾印度人先跟隨。你睇到嚟講，佢呢個係宇宙性嘅普遍性，任何地方嚟講可以睇到呢四個階層嚟講嘅存在。
Generally, Brahmacharya means student life.
咁譬如講到精修真嚟講，其實就係講到一個學生嘅生活啦。
And then Grihastha means married life.
咁居士嚟講就已經係已婚嘅生入世人啦。
Vanaprastha means retirement life.
咁呢個行腳僧意思嚟講，就係啲人係已經係過退休生活嘅人。
And sannyas is something we don't see so commonly in society because it's where the person is helping the other three ashram to understand the purpose of life.
咁而托缽僧嚟講咧，唔係咁常見啦。而家喺呢個社會嗰度嚟講，咁呢個階層嚟講就係幫其他三個階層點係明白到人生嘅目標係乜嘢。
And then also, if you look at it in terms of the system of governance, you see there is the Brahmanas who are the head of society.
咁你睇到呢個咁嘅制度嚟講，譬如佢係以婆羅門嚟講係一個領袖喺度係帶領呢個社會啦。
They understand how things should be implemented.
你知道點？佢係知道點樣啲人將佢實施過嚟啦。
And the implementation is carried out by the administrative class of people known as the Kshatriyas.
而係透過一啲行政嘅人員，好似我哋叫做剎帝利嘅人嚟講，去將佢係實施出嚟。
And when the Kshatriyas who are actually governing an administrative class, if they don't understand the principles, they confer with the Brahmanas.
咁而呢啲管理階層嘅人嚟講咧，佢好多時要諮詢呢啲咁嘅婆羅門嚟講，為咗要好好咁履行呢啲咁嘅一個守則。
So Prabhupada mentions the Brahmanas are mostly intellectual.
咁波提到嚟嘅婆羅門嚟講咧，比較係有智慧，屬於係智慧階層嘅。
In the Vedic system, they understand the purpose of life.
咁喺偉大嘅時代嚟講咧，佢哋係明白到人生嘅目的係乜嘢。
And so based on the scriptures, they guide society through the administrators, the Kshatriyas, how the common people should practice.
咁以呢個經礎做基典嘅經典做基礎喺度啦，咁係透過呢個管理階層剎帝利嘅管理階層嚟講，係幫助一般人嚟講點係做到人生嘅目標嘅。
And in terms of economy, there should be some, economy to make money, and so those group of people are known as Vaishyas.
咁至於係發展經濟或者係賺錢嗰一班嚟講咧，咁呢個階層人嚟講咧，我叫做Vaishya喺度。
They do the business side, and they also take care of the agriculture and cow.
咁啲人嚟講會係做貿易交易嚟講，做生意嚟講賺錢，亦都係負責係照顧呢啲係畜牧啊、牛隻啊咁樣。
Yeah. So when they perform all these activities, they generate wealth, and they are able to then share that wealth with the other three classes.
咁透過呢啲活動嚟講咧，佢哋可以係賺取財富啦，然後得到財富之後嚟講咧，佢將啲財富係分享係俾同其他三個階層啲人係分享。
And within the society, there's a lot of need and requirement for labor active, like building things and so on. You need that laborer class of people also.
咁喺呢個社會嘅環境底下嚟講咧，佢都係需要一班嚟講咧係用個勞力嚟講係建設呢個社會嘅。
And they are known as Shudras.
咁我哋稱呢個叫做係首陀羅啦。
It's not that they are the worst group or what. It's just that they are very competent in doing this activity.
咁唔係話呢班人嚟講比較低下啲，而係呢班人嚟講係有咁嘅能力嚟講係做呢啲咁嘅活動。
So when the system of Varnashram is done properly, they all understand that the purpose is to please Narayana, Vishnu or Krishna.
咁而整個制度嚟講，啲人嚟講係配合，你明白對最終個目的嚟講係取悅係 Narayana 或者係 Krishna。
And therefore everyone knows the goal of life.
所以喺咁嘅情況安排之下嚟講，每個人知道嚟講人生嘅目標係乜嘢。
And also there's a lot of cooperation.
咁當中咧，亦都牽涉嚟講大家嘅一個合作。
And therefore you can see here Yudhishthira Maharaj is following this system properly.
咁喺呢度我睇到嚟講，就由第四王嚟講咧，係好正確咁樣係跟隨呢個制度。
He's doing it so that he wants to, although he's a pure devotee, he's not bound by the rules and regulations, yet he's setting example.
咁當然啦，入得釋牛王自己身為一個純粹嘅奉獻者，佢係唔會係拘束於或者受呢啲咁嘅守則係捆綁度嘅，但係佢為咗嚟講建立一個榜樣喺度咧，佢都係跟隨咁樣做。
Whatever a great person does, common men want to imitate or copy.
當一個偉大嘅人物嚟講，佢所做嘅活動嚟講咧，而普通人嚟講就會係模仿佢咧，跟隨佢咁樣做。
And therefore, whatever standards such great people set, the whole world will want to imitate or follow.
咁呢個偉大人物嚟講，佢係做咗成立咗咁嘅一個制度標準嚟講咧，而一般人嚟講咧，社會上一般人咧都會係跟住呢個標準嚟講走去做。
So Maharaj Yudhishthira, although he knows he can just walk away from the kingdom, he wants to make sure that everyone understands how to perform their duty properly.
咁當然啦，有些人話嚟講可以係即刻起身，馬上就離開，乜都唔理喺度。咁但係佢亦都係樣係確保嚟講，啲人嚟講接班人嚟講係做好嘅責任。
So we also, as devotees, when we are practicing, we should see opportunities where we can give up certain things that we are attached to. We should understand this is holding me back from attaining a higher spiritual consciousness.
所以對生命奉獻者嚟講，我哋知道有時某一啲嘢嚟講，或者我哋都係比較中意，或者係執着去做喺度。但係某一啲更高嘅目標嚟講咧，我哋都要知道嚟講係時候我哋要係放低嘅。
And Srila Prabhupada warns us how people are thinking nowadays, and he particularly identifies the modern politicians. They do not wish to retire from active life.
咁聖泡泡嚟講咧，係特別提出一點喺度，譬如係當今，尤其是係當今嘅政治人物嚟講咧，呢人嚟講係唔想退休。
Having a very powerful position is very intoxicating.
咁我講話呢個係最有權力嘅人嚟講咧，其實最沉迷於或者最唔肯係放低呢啲咁嘅權力喺度。
That's the saying, right? Power corrupts and absolute power corrupts absolutely.
咁佢講話呢個係權力嚟講係最腐敗喺度。當呢個人嚟講係有擁有絕對嘅權力嚟講，佢嘅腐敗程度係更加嚴重喺度。
That corruption is that we don't know our goal of life. We are thinking this is life. This is what I need to control.
當我哋講係腐敗意思嚟講，就係話佢唔知道人生目標係乜嘢喺度。佢知道嚟講，而家呢啲嘢嚟講就係我要有嘅嘢，我最中意嘅嘢。
And so materially, we should start preparing to, retire.
咁其實喺物質世界、物質生活嚟講，我哋應該要做個準備嚟講，要係退休，適時引退。
Yeah, different parts of the world, different circumstances dictates different ways of retiring.
咁喺世界嘅唔同嘅地方嚟講啦，咁啲人嚟講係有唔同嘅一個方式嚟講，或者係點樣嚟講係做呢個退休嗰度嘅準備。
But Srila Prabhupada emphasizes very strongly, everyone's life must be so arranged that the last stage of life, say at least last 15 to 20 years prior to death, can be absolutely devoted to the devotional service of the Lord to attain the highest perfection of life.
咁聖泡泡特別係提到嚟講就話，喺人生最後嘅階段，至少係死亡之前嘅15至20年嚟講咧，要能夠做到全心全意係為至尊主做宏偉服務，以期達到係生命嘅最高完美嘅境界。
Although in the Bhagavatam we know Parikshit Maharaj had 7 days, someone told him he 7 days. Not all of us we're going to get someone coming to us and say you have 1 year, 10 days or 15 years or whatever. So his point is start early. As you're getting old, start preparing to go back to Godhead.
咁當然啦，喺博加亞壇我哋得悉，巴吉國王嚟講，佢有7日嘅壽命喺度啦。咁但係對其他人嚟講係唔知道我哋嗰個限期係壽完係幾時喺度嘅。所以聖泡泡提醒我哋嚟講，我哋要係隨時係做好係準備。
Otherwise, our mind is, as Prabhupada says, is focused on so much material things, and then we cannot think about God.
所以就係聖泡泡講到啦，我哋嘅心意嚟講咧，成日專注於物質嘅事情上面嚟講，所以我哋好難係集中於喺 Krishna 嗰個身上。
We cannot think about Krishna.
我哋唔會係諗到
We cannot
Krishna，
think about Krishna's pastime.
或者係諗住 Krishna 嘅需要時光。
I mean, if you talk to many devotees, ask them, tell me a short pastime, they will be like, oh well.
咁有時或者你見到奉獻者咧，同佢講，可唔可以講 Krishna 一啲短短嘅需要時光俾我？咁啲奉獻者嚟講，當度係無措，唔知係點樣嗰度嘅。
But if you ask them what's the political situation in the world, they can tell you so much information.
咁當你講，而家實際上嚟講發生啲咩嘢喺度，咩環境度咧，馬上佢哋可以侃侃而談，可以講好多出嚟。
And this is one of the reasons why Prabhupada emphasized stressed reading his Krishna book. 所以點解 before we go to bed?
所以點解聖泡泡嚟講咧係強調俾我哋嚟講就話，當我哋臨瞓之前咧，最好就係讀 Krishna book 嘅。
Otherwise, the mind is absorbed in material or fruitive things. It's just like a bird trapped in a cage.
咁個情況，如果我哋唔係咁做嚟講咧，就好似我哋心意成日諗住係物質方面嘅事情，就好似隻雀仔困喺個籠入邊。
When the bird is trapped in the cage, it cannot fly to freedom.
咁雀仔困喺籠入邊嚟講咧，佢係唔可以係有自由啦，係飛出嚟嘅。
Similarly, if we are focused only on material things, it's not possible to go back to God.
如果我哋心意只係集中喺物質嘅事情上面咧，係冇可能係能夠翻返神手嘅。
So, and he also says if we neglect spiritual activities, it's a suicidal policy.
佢一提到嚟講，如果我哋係忽視靈修嘅生活嚟講咧，係無疑等於我哋係自己係嘅毀滅自己。
So, as we are getting old, we need to start balancing responsibilities, material and spiritual life.
咁尤其是咧，我哋年紀係已經係大喺度啦，咁我哋應該要好好咁樣平衡翻係物質嘅責任同埋靈性嘅責任。
Now, sometimes we may not know how to balance, so we need good guidance, senior devotee, some shiksha guru, someone who's our well-wisher.
咁有時或者我哋自己未必能夠做到個判斷到啦，咁所以我哋需要一個導師喺度啦，或者比較係進步嘅奉獻者嚟講，去俾一個係忠告俾我哋係點樣去做到。
Someone who wants us to be successful in our spiritual life.
呢個嚟講係我哋祝願者領導啦，亦都係希望我哋喺靈修方面嚟講係成功嘅人。
So therefore, chanting and hearing is very important.
所以唱誦同埋聆聽嚟講係十分之重要。
The quality that we give into chanting nights will raise our consciousness from the lower modes to transcendental.
咁唱誦嘅品質嚟講咧，好重要喺度啦，將我哋由呢個低嘅一個層次嚟講，能夠提高到更高嘅層次。
Devotees, if you are spending 30, 40 years, at least you should know 1 or 2 prayers from the Bhagavatam.
咁一個奉獻者如果係能響呢個靈修已經有30或者40年嚟講，至少應該係記得嚟講《波吉亞談》嘅某幾個詩節嘅。
For example, Kunti's prayer, Gajendra's prayer. At least we should know some prayers.
咁好似譬如係君體皇后嘅禱文啊，或者 Gajendra 嘅禱文喺度，咁至少我哋知道一啲嘅禱文。
Simply reading every day, we will get it.
咁我哋如果
everything we will know it.
咁如果我哋堅持係每日都係咁樣讀嚟講咧，咁我哋肯定會係得到一啲嘢，學到啲嘢。
So I want to end that. Are we arranging our lives so that the last 15 to 20 years are going to be fully dedicated to Krishna? That's what Prabhupada is saying.
咁我準備係完呢度啦。咁我哋究竟係做好準備未？好似聖泡泡講話，我哋生命最後階段15至死亡之前15至20年，我準備全心全意係為主作奉獻服務咧，我哋係做好未咧？
How do we know this is important? Because Maharaj Yudhishthira is showing an example, a very good example, that the real success is not that he was ruling the kingdom, but he was able to give it up and go back to God.
咁有就是王你都做一個好好嘅榜樣喺度啊！咁真正一個成功嚟講，唔係話係好好咁管理個王國喺度，而係嚟講點樣係退出嚟講咧，做好自己準備係回歸神手。
Okay, I will stop here. Comments, questions, reflections, additions, correction.
咁喺呢度停落嚟啦，有啲咩嘅補充或者評注或者更正喺度，或者問題大家一齊可以分享討論。
As we hear in the Prabhupada in many places, talks about the Maharaj system, which you follow there, and then in some other places he says, "Oh, it's Kali Yuga, it's not the follow this chapter."
Yeah.
Did you comment on that?
咁我先提出問題就係話有啲地方嚟講就係話你要好好咁跟隨呢個泡泡講到要跟隨呢個4個咁嘅社會制度4年算正階，而有啲地方嚟講啲人就講我而家卡年代啲人十分之墮落喺度啊，今日好難係跟隨呢個4個4社會階層4年正階，我哋只係好好咁喺唱誦 Hare Krishna 就可以就得㗎啦。咁可唔可以喺呢方面可以再深入咁再講清楚啲咧？
That's a very interesting question because We don't know exactly what Prabhupada's next plan was. And yet we have many devotees who insist that his next project was the Varnashram thing. What is the purpose? The purpose of Varnashram is to at least, at the bare minimum, place everyone in the mode of goodness.
咁其實我哋譬如見到啪嚟講，見到一個咁嘅細社會成年嘅制度嚟講咧，其實我哋其實想唔知道啪再另一步嚟講嘅計劃係想點樣做喺度。咁我知道嚟講咧，好多協會嚟講，多人嚟講係堅持嚟講，或者係講到話想實施呢個制度嚟講，其實最少嚟講呢個制度可以幫人哋嚟講係提升到去到一個善良形態。
There's a verse, right, in the first canto, second chapter, Parthiva's Darunas Dumas. Tasmad, no? Agnistrahimaya Tamasastu Rajas Tasmad Sattvam Yad Brahma Darshanam. So there it says that better than smoke is fire, better than ignorance is Rajaguna, but better than all of them is Sattva Guna, because it allows you to have the darshan, the ability to approach the Supreme Lord.
咁佢講到話比煙好啲嚟講就係火啦，比呢個係愚昧嚟講好啲嚟講就一個善靈體，因為佢話將你處一個善靈體嚟講，你係有機會嚟講係接近見到係至尊處嘅。
And based on that, we can say, if there is a Varnashram system, many things could be, I think, will help a lot of devotees, because oftentimes you get devotees asking, what is my duty? What am I supposed to do? Yeah.
咁我諗呢個制度嚟講咧，我諗有一個幫助喺度。咁好似譬如有時我哋奉獻者會問你講，咁我責係咩？我可以做啲乜嘢啊？
When Srila Prabhupada started the movement, he wanted to raise everyone to the position of Brahmanas so that they can help society.
咁當初泡泡建立一個協會嚟講咧，咁希望提升到每一個都係成為一個婆羅門喺度，因為透過婆羅門嚟講係幫助整個社會。
But because many of us have so much baggage, karma, and so on, that we can't completely come to that Brahminical position, but we can come to some level where we find some devotees have the ability to be businessmen, some are very good at construction, things like that.
咁由於我哋過往嘅一個業力啦，或者我哋嗰個重擔喺你身上嚟講咧，唔可以一下子好多人嚟講馬上做到一個婆羅門呢個階段喺度。咁但係至少呢個唔同嘅一個四小階層嚟講咧，啲人嚟講揾到自己合適嘅位置，好似譬如有奉獻者嚟講，譬如可以係做生意好叻喺度啊，喺某一階層嚟講係做得好好。
Although we can say Varnashram system will help, to implement it may be a big challenge.
咁其實呢個制度，我可以講話呢個制度係好嘅，而係問題如果點樣將佢實施出嚟嚟講咧，先有一個挑戰一個難度。
Because we need the cooperation of all the devotees. They must be willing to at least start with their children, going to a situation where they can be identified and say, you are this, you are that. But then that's going to create another set of problems also.
咁但係起碼要奉獻者嚟講，大家譬如好似將佢自己自此都可以係認定嚟講，或者係喺屬於邊個階層喺度，或者你邊個階層係咩屬於咩屬性嘅呢個可以做到邊個階層喺度。但係當你係咁樣去分類嚟嗰陣時，可能又製造出另外一個問題出嚟。
I remember when we started in Houston the school. For kind of, we didn't even want to make it into a devotee school. It's just a school with values and so on.
咁我記得好似譬如我哋喺休士頓嗰度嚟講，係想建立一間學校喺度，即係唔係話係靈性導師嘅學校喺度啦。一普通學校嚟講，希望啲人嚟個揾到自己嗰個人生嘅價值嗰陣時嚟講咧。
We got the permission from the state and so on. Everything was approved there.
咁當時嚟講咧，得到政府一個允許喺度啦。咁所有嚟講都已經係通過咗喺度。So
when we approached the congregation prior to even setting the the school, they gave so much input, what they wanted.
咁當然啦，咁我哋問我哋嗰時個會眾嗰度啦，咁我哋講話你想要啲咩？咁好多人嚟講俾出好多嘅意見喺度。
And there were many devotees with young children also. They also gave a lot of input.
咁好多人哋講有啲係年青嘅即係有啲奉旨嚟講啦，亦都係有年青嘅一代喺度啦。咁當時佢哋都係好多嘅投入喺度。
But when the school opened, all these people who gave inputs, including the devotees, refused to send their children to the school.
但係當佢哋呢間學校成立咗之後嚟講，當時好多人嚟講嘅有投入幫手起呢間學校嚟講咧，就變啲嗰啲奉旨都啲仔女自己都係冇有就讀呢間學校喺度。
So some silly things are like, well, the teachers are not Americans. They are Indian teachers.
咁佢譬如佢講到嚟講嘢就係啲老師嚟講啦，唔係美國人啦，而係啲印度人。
They are good teachers. Yes, we know they are good teachers.
咁佢哋係一個好嘅教師喺度咯。
So what is your problem? We asked them.
咁跟住我哋問你講究竟有咩問題喺度？點解你哋接受唔到咧？
My child cannot learn the proper American accent.
佢哋提出一點嚟講就係我仔你講唔可以係學到正確嘅美國人嘅口音。
And then there are others who say, well, you're not teaching Sanskrit.
跟住佢講啲人講咗你哋冇教到佢法文。
And so one problem after another issue, they start saying why they are not willing to send their children to the school.
咁跟住另一個問題提出嚟講就係我哋問就話點解你唔將啲仔女嚟講係派去呢個學校就讀呢啲咁嘅學校咧
But they don't mind sending their children to the Karmi school where they're doing nonsense and so on. That's okay.
但係反而嚟講咧，佢哋係唔介意將啲仔女嚟講係俾就保送去讀一啲咁嘅，譬如係啲其他嘅唔係靈性導師嘅學校，譬如唔係靈修嘅學校嗰度。
But of course, this is one situation. There are other schools like the Avanti schools and so on in UK and many other places where, like even in Australia, they have good, where the school can educate the children and give them good values and bring them to the mode of goodness to some extent.
咁當然有啲譬如其他地方學校嚟講咧，佢哋係提供一啲咁嘅教育喺度，係幫助佢哋嚟講咧，起碼提升佢哋咧去到個善良形態個境界嗰度。
But the question again comes is how can we say you are a Kshatriya, you are a Vaishya, and you are a Brahmana? How many people are willing to accept that?
咁我哋一個難列處嚟講就係話點可以話你係屬於剎帝利，你係屬於卑舍，你係屬於婆羅門喺度。而當你咁樣嚟講，亦有幾多人嚟講能夠可以接受你咁樣一個劃分喺度。
I remember when I was a young boy, I remember during our school days, they had two streaming, the science or the arts. Yeah.
咁好似譬如我記得我讀書嗰時嚟講分咧，一個有文科有理科喺度咯。
And I remember also that whenever the child is streamed into the arts, the parents feel devastated.
咁我記得你咁，譬如當啲仔女揀文科嗰時嚟講咧，咁啲媽媽哋覺得你講，哇，即係好似天塌落嚟咁樣。
And the child feels he or she is inferior or they are useless or they are not good for society.
咁當佢哋係揀咗文科之後，你覺得你講好似比較低級啲喺度嚟講，好似譬如係啲社會嚟講係睇唔起咁樣。
So as long as we have this consciousness at that level, the implementation is going to be a great challenge for us.
咁當我哋又處於咁嘅個意識知覺底下嗰時嚟講咧，要係實施呢方面嚟講係個好大嘅挑戰。
So therefore, I can see why Prabhupada sometimes said that it's Kali Yuga. At other times, actually, we need it.
咁所以點解我就可以係體會到點解聖巴巴有時講話我哋係好需要啲咁嘅制度，但係有時嚟講即係卡利原來嚟講係實施出嚟講亦都係比較困難。
But can it be implemented? Yeah, yes, definitely.
可唔可以係真係實施嚟講係可以嘅？
That's my take.
呢個係我嘅睇法。
Can the devotee achieve the certain goal of life? Can the devotee achieve the certain goal of life in any of the Varna and any of the ashrams?
Yes, yes.
佢係咪即係奉旨嚟講任何階層或者任何個嘅奉旨都可能夠達到個人生嘅完美喺度着到？
Yeah.
可以。
That's our system actually. You serve another devotee who's more superior, and by pleasing that devotee, automatically you get the blessings and the mercy.
咁如果所以就係話點解我哋服務奉獻者喺度？如果我哋服務一啲比較進步俾我哋資深嘅奉獻一啲進步奉獻者嚟講咧，我哋得到佢嘅祝福咧，咁最後嚟講我哋達到呢個完美。
I believe if you do, let's say, dressing the deities and you use the paraphernalia, and then you don't wash it, and another devotee comes and washes, they get the results of worship, right? That's what I've heard. Yeah.
咁好似譬如你做完呢個崇拜之後嚟講啲嘢嚟講係冇跟手尾喺度做好，你跟住另一個你幫你係做好啊，即係洗翻乾淨嗰時嚟講，佢會得到嗰個益處嘅祝福喺度多過你嘅。
So if you serve a devotee who's going out on books very nicely, then by their mercy and by the fact that you recognize they are doing a good service, Krishna becomes pleased with you.
咁好似譬如透過服務一個奉獻者嚟講啦，咁你Krishna 會係咁你因為呢個你認同呢個奉獻者做得好好，跟住你係服務佢嚟講咧，Krishna 對你嘅個舉動嚟講咧，會係好開心喺度嘅。
Okay. Thank you very much.
多謝咁多位。
Bhagavatam ki jai. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.